Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole Filipino style. First, ensure your avocados are perfectly ripe. They should yield slightly to gentle pressure. You'll also need a small red onion, a couple of ripe tomatoes, and some fresh calamansi or lime. Don't forget the salt, pepper, and a secret ingredient, a dash of fish sauce. This unique combination creates a truly distinctive and delicious dip. What truly sets this guacamole apart are the Filipino additions. We incorporate finely diced red onion, which offers a delightful crunch and a sharp, savory bite. Freshly chopped tomatoes bring a burst of sweetness and a vibrant color. And for that authentic Filipino twist, a small amount of fish sauce introduces a complex, savory umami that elevates the entire dish. Now let's bring it all together. Scoop the creamy avocado flesh into a bowl and mash it gently with a fork, leaving some chunks for texture. Next, fold in your finely diced red onion and chopped tomatoes. Squeeze in the calamansi or lime juice, then add the fish sauce, salt, and pepper. Mix everything thoroughly, taste, and adjust the seasonings until it's perfect for you. Your delicious Filipino-style guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or as a vibrant side dish alongside grilled meats or seafood. The fresh, tangy, and savory flavors are truly irresistible. For those looking to enrich their lives in other ways, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.